Reading Pioneers is proud to present Avengers Assemble, Part 2 by Victoria Taylor. Black Widow. Natasha Romanoff was born in Russia. When she was young, she was a talented ballerina. Natasha later became a top spy, and her code name was Black Widow. She was trained by the terrorist group Hydra, and was once sent on a mission to spy on Tony Stark. The superhero Hawkeye inspired Black Widow to leave Hydra and work with the intelligence agency S.H.I.E.L.D. and the Avengers instead. She is famous for her terrifying Widow's Bite, a braces-like gadget that fires electric bolts at her enemies. Super Pair. Hawkeye saved Black Widow's life during a battle with Iron Man. This led to a superhero romance. Wolverine. Wolverine is more than 100 years old, but his incredible mutant ability to heal makes him almost indestructible. He first helped the Avengers during a battle in the Agent Savage land, and later became an official member of the team. Wolverine also has a long history with the X-Men mutant superhero team. Although he is not a team player by nature, Wolverine is a powerful and loyal member of both teams. Adamantium. Wolverine's skeleton is made from adamantium, which is the strongest metal on Earth. He also has razor-sharp, retractable claws. United Front. The Avengers is not the only team of superheroes around. Other superheroes also prefer to work together to defeat the most troublesome supervillains. The Avengers have fought on the same side as many other groups, such as the X-Men and the Fantastic Four. Several Avengers have been members of other superhero teams over the years. Quicksilver joined X-Men, and Captain America has often fought alongside the Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four consists of the Invisible Woman, the Thing, Human Torch, and Mr. Fantastic, who also heads the team. X-Men is a mutant superhero team led by Professor X. Other X-Men include Colossus, Wolverine, Cyclops, and Storm. Other Avengers. Over the years, there have been several different Avengers teams. Some are offshoots, others are copycats, while some exist on alternate realities. The Secret Avengers was formed to resist a new government rule of all superheroes registering and working for the government. At one time, a group of aliens pretended to be the Avengers to wage a secret war and take over Earth. The Secret Avengers was formed by Captain America and included Ant-Man and Black Widow. It was an undercover team that worked alongside the regular Avengers. The Young Avengers are teenagers with superpowers who model themselves on different Avengers heroes. The team was brought together by Iron Lad, who is a fan of Iron Man. They fought their first battle alongside Cap and Iron Man. The Young Avengers once had to save Iron Lad from his future self. The Heroic Age. Many villains were jealous of the Avengers' success and wanted to destroy the team. Evil forces tried to create disharmony within the group, and for a while they succeeded. The superheroes disbanded. However, a long and terrible siege in Asgard, led by the supervillain Norman Osborn, eventually brought the team together again. A new age dawned, the Age of the Hero. Superheroes were back in control. Thor, Cap, and Iron Man banded a new Avengers team together, and Earth finally began to feel safe once more. Maria Hill. Maria Hill was a spy, but then joined the law enforcement agency S.H.I.E.L.D. as its director. She was not very popular with the Avengers during this time. However, she eventually gained their trust when she disobeyed the president and canceled a bombing that could have seriously injured the Avengers. Soon afterwards, Cap chose her to lead the Avengers in the new heroic age. Although she has no superpowers, Maria Hill is an expert martial artist and markswoman. Leaders. Many superheroes have led the Avengers in its long history, including Hawkeye, the Wasp, Iron Man, and Captain Marvel. Spider-Man. Peter Parker was an ordinary teenager until a bite from a radioactive spider gave him superpowers. He gained superhuman strength, speed, and spider-like agility. Parker then built himself web shooters that allow him to create strong webs and stick to any surface. Spider-Man was born. Parker also designed himself a suit and a mask to keep his identity a secret. Parker wears his uniform under his clothes so he can quickly change from an ordinary boy to a superhero. Spider-Man has fought alongside the Avengers in many battles before officially joining the team. SpiderWoman. SpiderWoman started life as Jessica Drew. Her father, Dr. Drew, injected her with a spider serum in order to save her from radiation poisoning. The serum not only kept her alive, but it also gave her special spider powers. SpiderWoman has superhuman strength, speed, and reflexes, and can unleash venom blasts strong enough to kill. Like a spider, she can walk up walls using only her hands and feet. SpiderWoman was originally trained by the terrorist organization Hydra, but she left when she realized they were an evil organization. She joined the intelligence agency S.H.I.E.L.D. before becoming a member of the Avengers. An adhesive liquid secretes in her soles and palms, allows Spider-Woman to stick to any surface. Captain Britain. Brian Braddock was a quiet, brainy boy until he was involved in a motorcycle accident. A legendary magician named Merlin appeared and transformed Braddock into Captain Britain, upholder of British laws and values. Captain Britain wears an amulet around his neck, which gives him superpowers, including enhanced perception, so he can detect mystical forces such as spells. Captain Britain has teamed with Captain America many times to defeat common foes. Captain Britain has battled many supervillains over time. He is the newest recruit to join the Avengers team. Protector. Protector is also known as Novar. He is a Kree who ended up on Earth after his ship crashed. He is one of the most recent recruits on the Avengers team. The Kree are known for their size and strength, but Protector is even stronger than the average Kree. He can defy gravity and dodge bullets easily. He is a very skilled marksman and an excellent pilot. Kree. The Kree are an alien race from the planet Hala. They are known for being very strong and tough, but they need special breathing apparatus when they are on Earth. The future. They may have a roster of superheroes that is always changing and even some copycat teams, but one thing is certain. When the mighty Avengers are around, Earth is a safer place. Many supervillains have tried to defeat them, and some have nearly succeeded. But with the cry, "Avengers Assemble!" Thor, Captain America, Iron Man, and the rest of the team won't hesitate to leap into action. The future will surely bring many new and dangerous adventures, but the Avengers are always ready. Thank you everyone for reading along with us through the story Avengers Assemble. With so much hype around Marvel's Avengers cinematic universe, I thought it'd be nice to see some of the comic book information that has been published over the past 60 years. But I'd like to hear what you guys think. Comment below your favorite Avenger and tell me about the story. Did you like it or not? If you liked it, click the thumbs up button to show your support for this channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already, And don't forget to share this video with others so they can learn more about the Avengers. Until the next upload, here is a link to Avengers Assemble, Part 1, so you can read more about other characters. Well, that's all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.